unveiling the magnificent chemistry of H2O, the properties of water. Water, the simple yet miraculous molecule that sustains life on Earth. Two hydrogen atoms, one oxygen atom, in perfect harmony. Firstly, water's polarity. This property allows it to attract other water molecules, creating cohesion and surface tension essential for life. Then we have water's high specific heat. This property keeps temperature stable, a significant role, especially in regulating our body's temperature. Water's capacity as a universal solvent is next. It dissolves many substances, allowing it to carry nutrients, waste, and even heat. Let's not forget the remarkable property of water's density variation. Unlike most substances, water expands as it freezes, which is why ice floats. Finally, water's capacity for capillary action. This property allows it to move against gravity, a critical element in plant life. So, water, a simple molecule with complex properties. It's not just H2O, it's the essence of life as we know it.